Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this new property tour from Engel Völkers. You will be flashed away about these sea views, the contemporary design and the high-end quality of the house.
Let's go!
This beautiful villa is distributed in 3 levels. We are here right now on the main floor. Behind me is a sleeping area with 3 bedrooms en suite and of course the master bedroom with a own walk-in closet. The rest here is the open space living area, delighted with a lot of light, with a separate chill area and the connection to the dining area. The whole house is furnished by a luxury Italian brand Minuti. And one little secret is everything is included the price. Welcome to this beautiful, delighted kitchen. You probably recognize the sliding doors behind me, which are already also here on the side. So this maintains the open plan kitchen, but also it gives you the division of the different entertainment areas. Have a look at this beautiful, large cooking island. It's just fantastic to enjoy with family and friends. The breakfast, the dinner, whatever you want here to enjoy, here can come everyone together and you have enough space. The kitchen appliances are from the Liebherr and from the Neff. And the kitchen, have a look, is connected with a beautiful sunny terrace, which is now prepared for the lunchtime actually. I think you should come with me and check it out. This beautiful luxury property is located in Elviria, which is a private residential area of Marbella East. We have around 6 international schools. We have from here just a walking distance to all amenities and 5 minutes drive down to the most beautiful sandy beaches of Marbella, where you can find the most popular beach clubs La Plage and Nikki Beach. The villa is built almost on 800 square meters poor living space and located on a 2,000 square meters of plot with a large private garden, this beautiful pool area with a heated pool and the salt water, so you're guaranteed you can use your pool all the year long. In this state-of-art lower level of the villa, you will find a lot of interesting entertainment areas. You can start with a cup of wine in the bar. And then you can come here to have a nice chill out in this beautiful lounge, and you're finishing in your private cinema room. And by the way, did you choose your movie already? The whole house has domotica, which means basically you can control everything via phone or iPad. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention and enjoying with us the amazing property tour. For more information, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe, stay a little longer and see this fantastic property by night. Thank you very much.